So remember that I also dropped this signal. Okay, I dropped this signal in my Telegram group. So if you are not there, you are missing out. This is completely free. Check out the Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So check the description. You are going to see the link to my Telegram group you join. It's completely free. Okay, I dropped. So what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this sniper entry. You can see this is a Twitter account. So it's very simple guys, just follow me step by step. Okay, so we are going to the higher time frame first to see how this analysis is being done. So you go to 1 hour time frame. First, on 1 hour time frame you want to see a clear trend. So the price could be breaking structure towards the upside or to the downside. In this case, the price is breaking structures towards the upward direction. That means we are in an uptrend. Then the price will push all the way to the downside after creating a double top. Okay, so you can see that level there. The price made a double top right there, which is very important. About once this strategy is concerned, you need to understand this double top concept. Okay, so once the price breaks this double top, you are waiting for the price to retrace back to that level before spiking down, okay, or pushing down. That is exactly the overview of this strategy. So let me now break it down to you guys. Okay, so now if the price is pushing up this way, you can see we are having an uptrending market. Okay, the price is going to be breaking structures towards the upward direction, which is exactly what we are seeing. The price keep clearing that high. So as we continue pushing to the upward direction, you want the price to create a double top, which is a reversal pattern in this case, which is an uptrend. Okay, in an uptrending market we need a double top, okay, for you to see a reversal sign. So you also measure the low. You can see the low, the price keep maintaining its low lower than higher than the previous ones. Every of these low are higher than the previous ones. Okay, then at this point the price is retracing back. Then look at the double top right there and see the low that the double top created. You can see that low, which is the point below that double top. Okay, so after this double top, you want this price to retrace back and sorry and clear that low, okay, that the double top created. Okay, so let me show you exactly where I'm talking about. Okay, here now, so the price have to clear that low. Okay, so after clearing the low, we want the price to also clear the previous low of the previous trend, which is this one now. Okay, so the price clears that low too. So once the price breaks that low, we want to see the price retrace back again, okay, into the double top area, which is where you are going to be marking like your order block. So you can see that the price have clearly break structure. Then you mark your order block above that swing. That is towards the double top. Okay, that's where you are going to get your order block. Wait for the price to pull back and you sell. This is very simple concept. So look at this chart. Okay, look at the chart. The price keep giving us that break of structure towards the upward side. This low keep maintaining its low. Okay, the sequence, the price keep its low higher than the previous one, then created a double top just like what I sketched. So you want the double top first, breaks that low of the double top. Okay, so after you can see the low of double top, the price uh, uh broke it. Okay, and also cleared that low of the previous trend before retesting that our order block above there. Then we are anticipating a sell off from that zone. So as you can see, um the price pushes massively from that. You can see the entries around that zone. You can see everything right there. So remember everything I explained about this before started playing out. So we are still hoping that the price will push more to the downside. We are still hoping that the price is going to push more to the downside. Okay, look at my TP. The price, I've closed already one of the trades. So I opened like 3 positions and you can see the place I hope I closed one. So I'm still hoping that the 2 trades remaining will hit our TP. And by now you can see I've already break even my entries. Okay, you can see so no matter no matter what the price is going to do, or from now my account is secured. All right, so I just pick like uh 35 or 40% of the profits and I have to wait for the two trades remaining to hit my TP. So it's simple, guys. It's simple. I explained everything already before it started playing out. I explained everything. So this is the result. This is the outcome. Just like I told you, that I will bring in back the outcome. All right. So that's that for this video. I hope this short video is helpful. Remember, you just want to see um kind of massive retracement, showing you this creating higher highs and higher lows. That's a point. The price have to create a pattern, which is a reversal pattern, which is double top. Then after then you also remember that you have the price have to break this level and also clear this low. So the price have to break this way, and as the price is retesting back to this level, you are looking for entry. So the major thing is, first, make sure that the price breaks the low of the M pattern and also breaks the previous low. Okay, previous low, which is the of the previous trend, because this is a trend right here. This is a trend. Okay, so this is the lows of this trend. So make sure that the price breaks at least one of the lows of the previous trend before making entry. So that's another way to make entry on double top. So when the price is doing, created a double top, okay, in a trending market, okay, if the price creates a double top in a trending market, remember, you don't just enter at this point. You don't just enter here, okay, and you don't just enter at the break of this low. You have to consider the previous low also, this one, which is the break of the previous low, okay, of the trend, okay, which is this trend. Sorry about this. Okay, so once the price breaks this one and break that of previous trend, which is this particular one here, so you start making your entry. Okay, start looking for entry opportunity. So what I did is that I just waited for the price, which is okay, let me zoom in. So I just waited for the price to break this low, which is this one here, the low of the M pattern, and also break the low of the previous trend. Okay, so after that break of the low of the previous trend, I now wait for the price to pull back to this level, which is the other block zone. Okay, once the price gets to the level, I made my entry. As simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.